If you want to fix Warzone to a player that your platform denies permission, then this is the right video for you. First of all, we have to clear the game data. To clear the game data, we come to the game and press the three lines button, click on manage games and add on, click on save data. Click on our profile, click on delete from console. Don't worry, the data will be loaded again when you will enter the game again. Save data is not deleted. This was our solution, and I'm going to give you one more solution if this doesn't work for you, and if you're still trying to find the solution for the error after the solution, you can just uninstall and reinstall the game. Might work. Generally in such error, uninstalling and reinstalling the game solves the error. To delete the game, we click on the game and app. We come over the game and press the three line button, click uninstall. I won't do this because I don't want to delete it. Wasn't true. And sometimes, if this error doesn't get fixed, then this is the problem of developer, then the developer might fix this bug. So this is our solution, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, make sure to subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.